In digital marketing, affiliate marketing is promoting other people's product in return for a small commission for each scale. You've probably seen headings marked affiliate link or sponsored post on many of the websites you visit since it's one of the most popular income stream for websites. Essentially, it's a revenue sharing arrangement between online merchants and individuals or affiliates who promote their products or services on a particular website. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale, lead, or action generated through their promotional activities. For a company to begin with affiliate marketing, we need to establish a network. Affiliate networks act as an intermediary between merchants and affiliates. They provide a platform where merchants can list their products or services for affiliates to promote. Additionally, they offer tracking and reporting tools to both parties, management payments, and sometimes provide support and resource to help affiliates maximize their earnings. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Share a Sale is a highly acclaimed affiliate program known for its ease of use. We can use it for affiliate marketing as it checks many necessary boxes. For starters, the company is reputable, well reviewed, and free to sign up. Affiliates have access to over 4,800 merchants. These merchants range across a variety of markets and niche that creates a good industry. Thankfully, this means it's simple to find the perfect match for your site. When you sign up on affiliate marketing through Share a Sale, you get a general report of how to present your data in the commission and the total stipend that has been generated through it. It can help you fund your program. And three major aspects that has been associated with Share a Sale are pay per lead, pay per sale, and pay per click. Here is a sign up option on how you can create an account and begin with Share a Sale. Companies use affiliate networks if they do not have the available resources to create a significant outbound sales effort, if they do not have substantial product presence, or if they do not want to tap into groups of potential customers in an unrelated industry. Affiliate networks can allow a business to focus on its core competencies. The aspects of affiliate marketing are the referring host and the referring guests. In the context of affiliate marketing, the referring host refers to the website or platforms where the affiliate places can link or provide promotional content. When a user clicks on these affiliate links and make a purchase or performs a desired action, they are referred to as referring guest. The referring host earns a commission for referring the guest to the merchant's website, and the guest may receive a discount or special offer to the affiliate link. Now, you need search strategy to begin from affiliate marketing. A search strategy in an affiliate marketing involves techniques used by affiliates to attract potential customers or visitors to their affiliate links or promotional content. They can include various methods such as search engine optimization, pay per click advertising, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. Affiliate often conduct keyword research and competitor analysis to identify opportunities and optimize their content for better visibility and conversion rate. Now, one of the industry or a company that utilized affiliate marketing in a very efficient way was BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed content is great for affiliate marketing as it has proven to be particularly effective rather than just showing the product and providing a link. The site has become an expert in developing unique content with affiliate promotions weaved in. They are slaying the game when it comes to affiliate marketing. A key aspect of BuzzFeed's content is that readers learn something. Although sometimes trivial, the content is informative and also interesting. For instance, they know audience aren't interested in an article about home loans, but they would be drawn to titles like 10 ways to trick yourself into saving money or 17 wholesome posts that will definitely restore your faith in humanity. Using memes and one-liners, these article is an easy read for audience, all while still including a pitch for how Bank of America can help with finance. This is particularly true for BuzzFeed as it also creates engaging content, so much so that 96% of its users who start BuzzFeed quizzes actually finishes them. Examples of BuzzFeed's affiliate promotion is expressed by how American Express and Bank of America, two automotives like Volkswagen, Toyota, and fashion industries like H&M and Kohl's have deliberately affiliated their products on BuzzFeed. The site has even made dedicated partnership through their tasty cooking video series with Walmart. The partnership also includes creating recipes featuring ingredients that readers can purchase with Walmart's online grocery shopping. Additionally, they've also collaborated with Amazon and promoted their products along with their content in their arena. Amazon products have become a fixture in BuzzFeed's content. There are even dedicated tabs and shopping features that drive customers to buy via affiliate links. This is always most evident on Amazon Prime Day. For the big sale, Amazon completely takes over the site with an enormous amount of content being Prime Day specific listicles to ramp up traffic for BuzzFeed's shopping page. Hence, we can conclude that affiliate marketing is an inevitable aspect in marketing and can help a company grow on an exponential growth.